Designers are key players of the innovation processes within EU manufacturing SMEs. They need to constantly acquire and update multidisciplinary skills to increase SMEs' competitiveness. Designers will be the future innovation triggers within EU manufacturing SMEs. In the Intride project, we have produced the advanced course Design for Sustainability in the Manufacturing Sector, aimed at training designers with soft, digital and green skills needed to cope with market new trends and needs and to foster and catalyze innovation in manufacturing companies. The main topics explored will concern circular economy, systemic thinking, productive and creative systems, product and service system strategies linked to the SME's manufacturing sector. The course will start on February the 10th and end on July the 1st of 2022. It is a 20 ECTS course provided in a hybrid way, online and in person, and entirely in English. It will be practical and team-based. Most of the classes will be online, always during afternoons, evenings. 2 students' mobilities are foreseen, one at the beginning of the course in Barcelona, Spain, 2 days, and another one to participate in the final workshop in Cluj-Napoca, Romania, 5 days. If you are a designer or a professional from the sector, don't miss this excellent training opportunity. The course offers 20 free enrollments and includes financial support to cover travel and accommodation in Barcelona and Cluj-Napoca. Are you interested? Then get in touch with us at the following email. More information is available at intride.eu.